Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore the application of heuristics in interface design, focusing specifically on how they influence the user experience within software applications like Microsoft Word. I'm Caden Langdon, and I will be guiding you through this journey of understanding and applying heuristics in interface design. Let's take a moment to outline the objectives of this presentation. Firstly, we are here to explore the significance of heuristics in interface design, particularly within the context of software applications such as Microsoft Word. We'll delve into the fundamental principles that guide effective interface design and discuss how these principles can be applied to enhance user experience. Moving forward, we'll provide a comprehensive overview of our coverage. We'll examine each of the 8 golden rules of human-computer interaction and illustrate their application within the Microsoft Word interface. Through this analysis, we aim to provide actionable insights for new interface design students, helping them to understand the practical implications of heuristic analysis in their work. Finally, it's essential to underscore the importance of heuristics in interface design. Heuristics serve as guiding principles that assist designers in creating intuitive, user-friendly interfaces. By adhering to heuristics, designers can streamline the design process, resulting in interfaces that meet user expectations and facilitate positive user experiences. Through this presentation, we hope to instill an appreciation for the role of heuristics in interface design and inspire future designers to incorporate heuristic analysis into their workflow. Now, let's delve deeper into the significance of heuristics in interface design. Heuristics serve as invaluable tools for designers, providing a framework for creating interfaces that are not only functional, but also intuitive and user-friendly. First and foremost, heuristics help streamline the design process by offering a set of guiding principles that designers can rely on to make informed decisions. By adhering to these principles, designers can avoid common pitfalls and design interfaces that meet user needs effectively. Moreover, heuristics play a crucial role in shaping the overall user experience. Interfaces that adhere to established heuristics tend to be more intuitive and easier to navigate, resulting in increased user satisfaction and productivity. By emphasizing the importance of heuristics in interface design, we aim to equip new interface design students with the foundational knowledge and tools they need to create interfaces that not only meet user expectations but also exceed them. Through this presentation, we hope to inspire future designers to embrace heuristic analysis as a fundamental aspect of their design process, ultimately leading to the development of interfaces that truly resonate with users. Let's dive into our exploration of specific heuristics, starting with the visibility of system status. This heuristic emphasizes the importance of keeping users informed about what is happening within the system, ensuring that they receive feedback promptly. In essence, when users interact with a system, they should always have a clear understanding of its current state and any changes occurring in real time. This ensures transparency and helps users make informed decisions as they navigate through the interface. Schneiderman's perspective on this heuristic is particularly illuminating. He suggests that the system should always keep users informed about ongoing activities through appropriate feedback within a reasonable time. This underscores the importance of timely and relevant feedback in maintaining user engagement and satisfaction. Examining the Microsoft Word interface, we can observe various elements that contribute to the visibility of system status. For example, indicators such as cursor position, formatting changes, and save status are promptly displayed, allowing users to stay informed about the state of their documents. However, despite these efforts, there's always room for improvements. Enhancements could include clear status indicators during complex processes, such as document saving or collaborative editing. By refining these indicators, Microsoft Word could further enhance the user experience and ensure that users remain fully informed about the system status at all times. Now, let's delve into the heuristic of match between system and the real world. This principle emphasizes the importance of aligning the terminology, concepts, and actions within the digital interface with those familiar to users in the real world. In essence, users should be able to seamlessly transition their existing knowledge and experiences from the real world into the digital realm, allowing them to intuitively understand and interact with the interface. Schneiderman advocates for systems that speak the user's language, with words, phrases, and concepts familiar to the user, rather than system-oriented terms. This highlights the importance of using terminology and actions that resonate with the user's mental models and expectations. Examining the Microsoft Word interface, we can see how it successfully applies this heuristic. For example, the File menu, Save icon, and Print button all use terminology and visual representations that users associate with real-world document management tasks. However, there's always room for refinement. Suggestions for improvement could include providing tooltips or contextual help to clarify unfamiliar features or functions, further bridging the gap between the digital interface and users' real-world knowledge. By ensuring a match between the system and the real world, Microsoft Word enhances the usability and reduces cognitive load for users, ultimately leading to a more intuitive and efficient document editing experience. And here's a fun fact. This is called skewmorphism. In this heuristic, we focus on empowering users with control and freedom within the interface. Users should feel confident in their ability to navigate the system and make changes without fear of irreversible errors. Norman stresses the importance of allowing users to freely explore the system and easily correct mistakes, which aligns perfectly with this heuristic. When we examine the Microsoft Word interface, we find several features that embody this principle. The undo and redo functionalities are prime examples, allowing users to backtrack and reapply actions as needed. Additionally, the ability to customize keyboard shortcuts provides users with a personalized and efficient way to interact with the interface. However, there's always room for improvement. We can further enhance user control by expanding customization options for keyboard shortcuts and providing intuitive ways to revert changes or navigate through document revisions. By doing so, we ensure that users have the freedom to interact with the interface in a way that best suits their needs and preferences. Consistency and adherence to standards play a crucial role in interface design, ensuring that users can navigate the interface with ease and confidence. Schneiderman's assertion that users should not have to wonder whether different elements mean the same thing underscores the importance of maintaining consistency throughout the interface. Within Microsoft Word, we see consistent placement of menu items, toolbar icons, and keyboard shortcuts across different versions. This consistency allows users to transfer their knowledge and skills between versions seamlessly. However, maintaining consistency requires ongoing effort, especially as software evolves and new features are introduced. To further improve consistency, it's essential to adhere to platform-specific design guidelines and standards. Conducting usability testing can also help to identify any inconsistencies in the interface and address them proactively. By prioritizing consistency and standards, we create interfaces that are intuitive and familiar to users, ultimately enhancing the overall user experience. Error prevention is a critical heuristic in interface design, as it aims to minimize user mistakes and frustration by addressing potential issues before they occur. Schneiderman's viewpoint that prevention is superior to error messages underscores the importance of proactive design measures. In Microsoft Word, error prevention is evident through features like autosave and spell checking, which helps users avoid common errors while working on documents. Additionally, confirmation dialogues for actions like deleting a document provide users with a chance to reconsider potentially destructive actions. To enhance user prevention, additional safeguards such as validation checks and information error message can be implemented. These measures help users understand and correct mistakes before they escalate, ultimately improving the overall user experience. Recognition rather than recall is a fundamental principle in interface design, aiming to reduce the cognitive load on users by presenting information in a clear and accessible manner. Schneiderman emphasizes the importance of minimizing users' memory load, highlighting its significance in interface design. Within Microsoft Word, this principle is evidenced through the use of descriptive icons, contextual menus, and prominently displayed commands. These elements make it easier for users to recognize and access the functions they need without having to recall specific commands or functions from memory. To further enhance recognition, It's essential to provide clear and consistent labeling, organize information logically, and offer contextual help or tooltips for unfamiliar features. These measures help users navigate the interface more effectively and reduce the likelihood of errors due to memory constraints. Flexibility and efficiency of use are crucial aspects of interface design, allowing users to interact with the system in a manner that suits their expertise level. Schneiderman's insight into the benefits of accelerators for expert users highlights the importance of catering to diverse user needs. Within Microsoft Word, flexibility and efficiency are achieved through features like customizable keyboard shortcuts, advanced formatting options, and macros. These features empower users to work more efficiently once they have become familiar with the interface, whether they are novice or expert users. To further improve flexibility and efficiency, it's important to provide user-friendly ways for users to discover and customize shortcuts, streamlining advanced features for novice users, and offering tutorials or guidance for utilizing advanced functionalities can also enhance user experience. Aesthetic and minimalist design is not merely about visual appeal. It's about creating interfaces that are intuitive, uncluttered, and conducive to user focus and productivity. Schneiderman's emphasis on minimalist design underscores the importance of prioritizing essential functionalities and minimizing unnecessary distractions. In Microsoft Word, aesthetic and minimalist design principles are evidenced through its clean and uncluttered interface. The intuitive layout and visually appealing elements enhance user focus and streamline document creation and editing process. To maintain an aesthetic and minimalist design, it's crucial to continuously review and refine the interface. Removing clutter, maintaining visual consistency, and prioritizing essential functionalities are key steps in ensuring that the interface remains user-friendly and efficient. As we conclude this presentation, let's take a moment to recap the key insights we've covered regarding heuristics in interface design. We've explored 8 essential heuristics, ranging from visibility of system status to aesthetic and minimalist design, each contributing to the creation of intuitive and user-friendly interfaces within Microsoft Word and beyond. It's important to recognize the significance of heuristic analysis in guiding interface decisions. By applying these heuristics, designers can create interfaces that prioritize user experience, resulting in increased user satisfaction and productivity. Furthermore, interface design is an iterative process. Continuous improvement is essential for staying responsive to user needs and evolving design trends. By embracing the heuristic principles and committing to ongoing refinement, designers can create interfaces that not only meet but exceed user expectations. As future interface designers, remember the importance of integrating heuristic analysis into the design process. By doing so, you'll be better equipped to create interfaces that not only meet users' needs, but also delight and inspire users in their interactions. For those interested in further exploration, here are the references for the sources cited throughout the presentation. With that, I'd like to thank you for your attention. Goodbye.